Hi, in front of me is WIKO Y60 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this WIKO device. First of all, open tab menu and locate location icon, then click on it. Location is now disabled. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same icon, but you can also go into device settings, scroll down, choose security and location, scroll down again, go into location over here and manage it by clicking on the switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!